apartment, and there is the Avocado apartment. Standing tall and proud behind me, the Avocado apartment is a blend of smart features, fine living, luxury, convenience, and a whole lot more. What you get here is a taste of 5-star only, intentionally put to place to ensure that you get the best of living while staying here. You know what? Come take a viewing with me. Seeing what your next home looks like, all you need to do here is to make an initial deposit of 5 million naira. You get a flexible payment plan for up to 2 years. This location is Abijo GRA. This is a government reserved area here in Lagos. You get to enjoy 24 hours power supply, 24 hours security. I mean, the environment where this estate is situated is serene, quiet, and safe for you. We have efficient drainage system right here for you, well paved compound right here, good road network, recreational facilities, and a whole lot more right here for you to enjoy. We have 1-bedroom apartment in the market right now for 60 million naira. 2-bedroom apartment selling right now for 70 million naira, and 3-bedroom apartment right now is in the market for 85 million naira. This is the most affordable apartment right here, selling out right now in this location. Now, the Avocado apartment offers you the flexibility of, number one, living right here with your family, or you can choose to make use of it for rental or short-let apartment. And trust me, you can make cool cash while doing all of that. There are people already living here. These apartments are 90% completed. We also have others that are 100% completed already. Now, what this means is that this is a pay and parking estate right here. As you can see, you see people cars already parked right in front of their building right here. So if you are in the market, you're looking for apartments where you can pay now and start living right now in that estate, the Avocado apartment is that place for you. So what you need to do is to call us on the numbers on your screen. Let us help you secure your choice unit of apartment right here in this estate.